Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly.
Come there, stand up. Hello, my gingerbread and jellybean. Welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. Hi guys, so I'm at the airport right now in West Palm Beach. Oh, this camera looks so good. I'm just here, I'm waiting for a flight right now. I'm in Florida to go back to New York City, where I live. I came down here to visit my grandma, spend a little time with grandma, and spend 1 week. I spent 7 days here, which was really nice. I went to the beach, went to movies. I did a few stuff, but I did a vlog. I vlogged the beach. Like since lately, let me talk to you guys one-on-one. Like since lately, like I have been so like preoccupied. I haven't been making any vlogs at all. No, I come on vacation, supposed to make vlogs. I didn't make any vlog either. Oh, the light is so wonderful here. So now I'm just sitting in the airport, have a flight at 8 p.m. to reach back to New York at 11 p.m. So it's a night flight. So I'll probably be sleeping in the plane and think. So I said to myself, why not just make a vlog right now and just talk, just talk to you guys and talk about any and everything. First and foremost, well, I already started the vlog already, but first and foremost, I want to thank everybody for like continuing to support the channel, continuing to just view my vlogs, videos each and every day, whether it be the vlogs, whether it be the regular videos, whether it be videos to give you information on Jamaica, stuff like that. I know the channel needs new content. I know I need to vlog more. I know I need to do all those stuff, but it's just sometimes you ever go to your job and like you're doing your job and then for a little like you go through a certain phase where you're just tired of doing that job. You just get tired of doing it and then you take a break and then all of a sudden you feel that urge to just go back and do the same job, That's how I think human beings operate. I think sometimes we get tired of stuff, especially for persons who like to travel, like to do new stuff, like to explore, like myself. I love doing that. I love to travel, I love to explore, I love to do new stuff. And when I'm not doing those stuff, I tend to get a bit lazy or complacent, I would say. Demotivated at times to just check out the camera, look at the camera and make a video. Especially where I am, like my room where I live, I don't have a lot of space to shoot. If I had a background like this or space like this, then it would be much better. Even though I shouldn't be complaining because some people work with less than what I have, and I do know that and I do understand and appreciate that. However, to produce your best or put forward your best, sometimes you need certain stuff in your environment to work, to click, so you can actually produce the quality and the content that you want to. Like, I know I'm making this video and I feel really excited and I feel really happy because the quality will be so good for you guys to watch, so I can actually like look at the camera and see how good the quality is, the lighting, the environment, stuff like that. It's literally an airport, so the focus is on me, but you see it's just wide and spacious. That kind of give me motivation. My mind flows compared to just being in my room making a video with the background pink and all that, dark. So I think I'm at my best when my environment is, what should I say? I'm lost for words. When it's the ideal environment, I'm at my best. When the environment is bright and beautiful and wonderful, compared to my dark room. No, that still don't give me an excuse to not make videos. apart from the environment, I'm a bit busy. Just making money, paying bills and stuff like that. I did serious. I'm reaching my targets. I'm getting there. It's slow, but I'm getting there, and I'm really proud of that. Yeah. One other thing, also for my vlogs, as you guys know, it's just me alone. Like, I don't really have much friends that, you know, live close by that I can say, hey, come and go over the house and we'll vlog and stuff like that. My friend Johnny, him live Staten Island, you know, Johnny having family, you know, so you just have to kind of do what you're doing, you know what I mean, to do certain vlogs and stuff like that, you know, ideas I have, all that, like, always have ideas. Sometimes I'm blank, but sometimes I have ideas to, like, say, let's create this type of video, let's do this, let's do that, which you need people for, because they want to hear other people's opinion. I'm not saying that somebody's into hold the camera, and that's not what I mean. I mean other people's opinion, other people's input. I remember I made a video with Tisha in Buffalo, and that didn't come out good, and like from that video never came out good. I was kind of sad. I was like demotivated. I'm like, look how this content would be great. You know, I have to like reshoot that. I have to probably go back to Buffalo and get that done again, which I'm going to do, but that kind of just demotivated me a whole lot, because I'm like, this is content that you guys are gonna love, but they say every setback is, you know, is a setup, you know, set you up for the better next time. So next time I'll know not to videotape with external camera, external microphone, so you kill the audio. But anyway, so I just want to make this quick video to just update you guys and just let you guys know that I'm okay. Traveling back home, I'll be working hard again, but I'll try my best to put out new and fresh content for you guys. I know you guys love the Jamaica vlog. I know a lot of people going to Jamaica and stuff like that. I'll try to make more video like that. I remember people saying to me, Mark, you can do like gems, like, you know, places that people don't really know in Jamaica that, you know, are small gems that you can visit and stuff like that. Like, I don't know all of them, to be honest with you, because when I was in Jamaica, I was broke and hungry, so I never really go much places, you know. So yeah, so that's also the honest truth right there. But you know, Jamaica do have a lot of places that you can go to and enjoy yourself. What I have to do, I just have to research or ask people down there. I started already, but I didn't get enough to like make a video out of it. But I realized that the other videos I have on the channel, like, people really like them and they're getting their views and stuff. So continue to do that, continue to watch them, continue to support me. I'll try to tap into the creative side of me and punch out some more videos whenever I can. But I just want to update you guys and let you guys know that I'm alright, and the channel is, you know, still active. I'm still here, you know what I mean. Like I say, if I was doing it, like, yeah, funny enough, if I was like doing it for the money, then, you know, it would be different. But look at me, like 1,738 subscribers and literally getting like $1 a day from YouTube, and I still do it. I don't let that, you know, faze me. One day the money will come, but I'm not really doing it for the money. I'm doing it because I like it. So if I'm feeling down and stuff like that, I can't come on camera and pretend and be like, hey guys, I'm bad. No, I just feel down and out. I just don't feel like to do anything. So I want you guys to understand, you know. But I'm moody at times, and sometimes I don't feel like to do anything, and sometimes I feel like to. So, you know, I won't like put myself out there and try to like do something I don't want to, or try to disappoint people or put pressure on myself, because I know the type of person I am. So just bear with me, you know. I'm always here, you know. I always upload video and stuff. So again, this is a little update, I guess. I'm traveling back to New York, so, you know, thanks for watching JVLOGS. See you guys soon. I'm gonna put some clip in there of me swimming, because I did video that, and so you guys can get that. So yeah, let's look around the airport.